Nag-rent ako ng camera. Strawberry. Oh my God! I really wanted this trip to be enjoyable. Hi Whimsies, welcome to this video. Tomorrow we are going to Governor Generosa and we're gonna spend 2 days there because someone from our relative is gonna get married. I'm so excited because I'm going with my family and my
baby boy.
baby boy, honeybee. And gusto kong makakuha ng mga quality pics pero wala akong quality cam. So, nag-rent ako ng camera. This is DJI. Ay, DJI. Saba ba? Kinag-vlog ko. Canon G7X Mark III. And I rented it for like 3 days. I'm so excited to try this one. So, kakakuha lang namin ito. And I want to see kung maganda ba talaga siya. So, yung sasakyan pala namin bukas is magmomotor lang kami. The travel may last for 2 hours. Let's see. Ang cute niya. Hindi ko alam kung paano to gagamitin. Ito kayo guys. Manandyan si Kiyo sa likuran ko. Naglalaro siya ng Roblox. So, yung pag-on. I wish I had something like this. Siguro titingnan ako sa TikTok ng mga filter or mga settings na dapat kong gamitin. Basta ganitong flash. Okay, let's try it. 1, 2, 3. Wala lagi. Try natin ulit. Wow! Alay, Kyo! Picture ta! Busy ka ka Roblox. Wow! Ang ganda-ganda naman. Let's try, Papa. Dito na. So now, let's pack the things that I need to bring for our 2-day trip. Nagplan na ako kung ano yung mga susutin ko nung Monday pa kasi kahapon galing kami ng Davao for first day pop-up namin sa SM and grabe, super sad ng experience ko doon papunta sa Davao. I was supposed to vlog it pero I'm just a girl with car sick issues. So yun, nagka-motion sickness ako and suka ako ng suka. And even pagdating ng SM, hindi ako yung nag-set up ng booth. Yung boyfriend ko, yung dad, and si Mama Sally lang yung nag-arrange ng booth. Kasi ako, di ko kaya yung sakit dito. Pahinga lang talaga ako dun sa ilalim ng booth hanggang sa naka-recover ako after ilang hours. So yun, hindi ako naka-vlog. Pero babalik naman kami doon next week for another pop-up. So yeah, tama ng daldal. This is my first day na susuotin. It's so cute. I bought this shirt. It's a flea market and it's so beachy. Strawberry. At meron din akong pang-ipit sa hair na floral. Seldom lang talaga kami na gumagala ng pamilya ko kasi hindi sila hilig sa mga gala-gala dyan. I really wanted this trip to be enjoyable. So, nag-rent ako ng camera, nag-plan talaga ako ng OOTD ko, and then I bought a new tripod. Ang cute ng tripod na to, may MagSafe na siya, and then may lalagyan ng camera. Hindi siya sobrang bulky. And next, yung susuotin ko sa kasal is itong polka dot. Hindi nyo siya makikita kasi ano yun. Itong polka dot na dress. Binili ko talaga yan for the wedding. And also, for extra, I will bring this. For another extra na naman, this long skirt. And itong, nabili ko din to sa flea market na sobrang cute na top. Pearl siya and perfect for beach. And I'm also so excited kasi sasama si Kiyo for this trip. And here's my towel. Let's pack it. Okay? Cool. And also, meron ako ditong nipple tape from Dudes. And nilagay ko na lang dito sa pouch yung jewelries ko. Ito yung nabili kong necklace. Oh. Ito yung nabili kong necklace, guys. So beachy. Mga earrings na mga floral. And also, nakabili din ako ng arm cuff na ganito. Ang cute niya. Gold. It's my color. I'm a gold person. Here, my digitals. Dito ko ilalagay yung mga gadgets ko. Also, may DJI na gamit-gamit ko ngayon. And my mic. Where's my mic? Ayan, perfect. Pero hindi siya mag-fit here. Magdadala lang ako ng accessible totes. Bukas ko na lang ipapak yung mga makeups ko and skincare. Kasi gagamitin ko pa naman sila. Here's my wallet. Nandito yung mga IDs ko. And yung pera natin. And I think dadalhin ko rin itong mga cup koozies na in-unbox namin kanina. Yan. Sunrise already. Tug na ako.
Butog mo ka?
Oo.
Nakabaw sa baka.
Sino ba kayo ay? Ikaw na ba? Where's Foka in the world, Mama? Let's eat breakfast. In the ocean. Gibiyaan namin sa amo ang mga
Convoy.
kauban.
Diyan naman sila.
Gibiyaan na nila. Kaya kaya mong kuan sa
Ay, ang e-bike.
ang e-bike gani.
Lah, may basketball lang.
May pickleball. Look cute. Gansa na pagsan dyan. Ha? Gansa siya pagka. Screw. Ay, screw dala. Here you are. I don't know what this is called. I think it's lake. And Q is there in the other side.
Di ka ka-feel, Jade? Hindi ba ka dyan?
Hi guys, we're already here. And what place is this? We don't know.
Gobjen. Part of the
In
Gobjen.
Governor Generoso.
Then,
And this is where we are staying.
okay, can you come sa camera? Then after this, we're going to business again. So many. It's so tired now because after this, we're going to Tagum, then Davao, then we're gonna stay to Davao up 4
Pwede
days.
magtagalog ka. Kasi hindi ko naintindihan.
Hindi ko kabulos kung English. Bulukins ka na ba? Hindi ko kabulos sa Tagalog.
So,
Pagkatapos namin dito sa Gobjen,
pupunta na kami na Tagum. Pagkatapos.
pupunta kami ng Davao.
Yes.
Pagkatapos ng Davao, kasi meron kaming business doon. Ako lang ang may business na hindi pinagsesoldohan ng aking amo. Pero binigyan niya ako ng 1K for the first time. Kung hindi nabiyak yung cellphone ko, hindi niya ako bigyan ng 1K. Kasi siya yung dahilan kasi bumalik pa kami
Ako.
kasaktipas Pinasok
Kamu
ko na,
ikaw mo nagdala.
pinasok ko na yung cellphone ko sa aking bag, tapos bumalik ka, scroll na lang ako.
Ano ko, stop using your
Kung
phone.
nag-stop na ko to.
Muna, stop. Asala, napod na ako kay gingan stop. Yan, stop ka.
Dili, nag-stop ako, tagbutan ako sa pag yung asog. Wala, ginaptan.
We're going to Parola with no helmet. Reckless rider. Hi guys!
Ano ba?
vlog mo de.
Ah, video.
Wala, reels na. Uli na to.
Wala, reels na. Yan na. Kangilo. Give me. Sino ni? Ah, di ko.
Bye, family.
Picture ta, Diriam.
San Agustin. Jollibee.
Mahadlok daw si Kuya Marjo. Makalipong man. Pwede nga ni pagsaka. Hala sa'yo, hala sa'yo. Iya, kabuyan ko.
Dahil naman nga po siya.
Ihulog daw yun ang cellphone.
Nahulog kakuran.
Oh my God! Nakakagamay guys sa kono eh. Ayun eh! Kaya picture na siya! Kaya picture na si Kuya.
Yung kay Brown ako. Balik yung.
Sabang! Murag mauyog ako. Nagloko. Okay, let's go down. Skiyo, di pa dyan mo na oh.
Okay.
Hi, say something.
Hi, welcome to my guys.
Where are you? You're in a cliff.
I am the
Isang tula ko lang, patay ka na.
top of the iceberg cliff.
Karam yun. So, I don't know what is this. We've been to the last part of this island. Tuara sila.
Minutes.
Look at that. I don't know where that will go. And my rings and my
Nyak, 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 nyak.
Guys, we are hungry now. This is where we're gonna sleep later tonight. I will be sleeping with JJ and Mama. Was that Angel Day? Tomorrow's gonna be the wedding at 2 p.m. So we're gonna go home. Let's do our skincare. Practice sila drive guys. Si Kuya Marjon. And si Kyo, is si Kuya Loloy, and si Papa Tao. Ay pala. Guys, nawala yung... Ay, videohan kami. Nawala yung isang... Mga pilik mata ko sa isang mata. Sundan natin ang car. This is where we are staying. The Shepan. The mga rooms with a lot of beds. Ay, sakay lang tala papatutot. Nabuha lagi sila. Asa dito sila? Kilid ko, kilid. We rented the G7X and it's worth it. Buta noon, tatag sunrise. Wala, naman sunrise. Kaso nag-rise na yung sun. The summer in the crowdless year.
Caught a little bit of magic in your eyes last night. You were shooting pool, we were taking shots under the dim lights.
Sige,
Got a little
gilok
smile
mo.
that knocked me off of my seat. I started falling. I started falling for you. And I didn't know what to do. But I knew that I had to make a move. From the moment that I watched you walk into my life, yeah. I just knew that I had to make a move. And I knew that I had to be with you. I just knew that I had to be with you.
Hi guys, welcome to my guys.
Hi, Kio.
Thought about us breakfast in my bed. We were holding hands, I was making plans, a future so bright. Gotta lift up down, down by the bay under the stars. I started falling for you. And I didn't know what to do. But I knew that I had to make a move. From the moment that I watched you walk into my life, yeah, I just knew that I had to make a move.
Why is it so dark? Nag-get ready ako dito with this view, overlooking view. And I just use my phone and my Ulanzi tripod.
Bagno mo na po dyan.
Wedding day. Isunod daw na to sa imong ilong.